All right, folks, well, it's been a minute. I've had a few family obligations. We kind of added a family member to the family, but I'll tell you about that later. But hey, today I want to talk about this little number right here I did to my truck a couple of months ago. Yes, I backed into a pole. Hey, it was winter, it was snowing, it was hard to see. The pole was just at the wrong height. Anyway, you know, sometimes this sort of thing just happens. And I'm a DIYer at heart, and I really wanted to just take care of this myself somehow and save the cost, save the insurance company the cost, that is. But people ask me, like, why don't you just do paintless dent repair, or PDR, which is a process where people can pop out dents like this without having to repaint it. There's a couple of reasons here, though. First of all, I did break the aluminum here. This is an aluminum piece, which is not super strong. I'm not happy about that, but this little piece of aluminum broke, so that would have to be repaired, and I'm not sure a PDR can do that. And secondly, and probably worse, we can't get behind this piece to push it out, and that's where the tailgate design comes into play. So I'm here at Stuttgart, right there, which is the company that helped us do some repairs on our R1T and the R1S before. Super great. I really trust them, and I've been working with Jack a few times now. Love him. So Stuttgart said that they would do the repair, but also that they would let me have this tailgate. And so I want to show you what's inside the tailgate and let you know why it is that I can't just push that piece out. So anyway, let's do it. All right, brand new tailgate. Looks great. Now, because this piece, it does come unpainted, but because there's a seam here on either side, they didn't have to blend the paint around the corner, so they were able to just paint this piece here at the shop before I brought the truck in. I brought the truck in, it was done the same day, actually. So let's talk about the tailgate. So here you can see the original gate here, and my lovely little dent on this side. And as I mentioned, people suggested I look for paintless dent repair, PDR, to fix this dent. But a couple of reasons. First of all, the metal is broken here, so that's hard to fix with aluminum. But secondly, to be able to get this out, you need to get behind it to push it out. But that's not really a thing, and here's why. You can see, here's the back side of this piece, right? So this gate is not one piece, it's a whole bunch of pieces all kind of munged together here. And these aluminum pieces are kind of riveted. Anyway, there's really no way to get back to that actual last piece of aluminum to push it out. So that's what the gate looks like. I was gonna take it apart, but there's no taking it apart from here. This is all one piece. So thanks again to Jack at Stuttgart for helping me out here. If you're in the Arvada area in Denver, give them a call. They do a great job. There's not a lot of options for Rivian repair in Denver, but they're excellent. You know, sometimes things happen, right? I didn't plan on putting a dent in the back of my bumper, but since I did, and I had somebody to turn to help out, insurance covers it, so you're all good, and I'm super happy. Looks great. If you're in the market for a Rivian and ready to buy, check out my affiliate link below. Please use that. It helps me out a little bit. Thanks again. See you soon.